Okay, ladies, so I have a new glueless put on in gold wig that I am so in love with it, and I'm here to share her with you today. As I mentioned, this is a 100% glueless wig from Worldnewhair. Absolutely is a showstopper. This is a highlight body wave 13x4 lace front wig. The actual color is a 1B30. She's glueless, she's HD, and she is so good. I'm going to show you guys how I install, style, and make the curls pop literally straight out of the box. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching. Jumping right into it, I love when I'm in a good mood when I am doing my hair. It feels so good to be able to just get up, put on a new wig, and go. It's even better when you are able to install the wig glueless because she fits oh so good. So this is the beauty straight out of the box. And as I mentioned, this is from Worldnewhair. They sent over this beautiful 1B30 wig. She is a free part lace front wig. This is what the nape looks like. And then there's also an elastic band inside for a little bit of extra security. I'm going to start off by cutting off the lace in the back and adjusting the straps. You can leave as much lace in the back as you want so that if you want to like bond it down, you can add a little spray or glue or whatever you like there. This is what the wig looks like on. Here I am just trying her on for size, deciding, how I want to wear her, how I want to style her, and even just showing you guys what the curls look like from the front, the back, and the side. The body wave texture on this one is beautiful. She definitely is soft and girly. I love the fact that the highlights on this one really make my skin pop. She's definitely a brown girl friendly wig, but if you are, a little bit more yellow, a little bit more red bone, this one definitely will look good on you as well. I'm going to start off by just playing with the parting. I wanted to see if I could take it back a little bit further. This one is a 13x4 lace wig, which is more than enough. So I'm going to start off by doing the dynamic duo, which is, of course, the wax stick paired with the electric hot comb. I should really just bottle this up and send it to you guys. I love a good dynamic duo moment on all of my wigs. And simply, this is the before and after. You guys can see how smooth and soft the after is. It makes everything flat, everything smooth, everything looks super sleek and natural. And it also will give you like a nice shine and cancel out any frizz. So I went ahead and did the opposite side. And of course, don't forget the back because the hair that goes to the back always needs a little love too. Now that everything is nice and flat around the crown, let's go ahead and move or remove all of the excess lace. Now here I was kind of deciding, do I want to do baby hair or not? When you click the direct link in the description box, you will see that the wig as it is modeled on their website is modeled with beautiful baby hair. So I kind of wanted to do that, but then I kind of wanted to give you guys some really good, easy to follow straight out of the box, instructions that you will be able to follow along with, even if you don't like baby hair. So you can definitely go to their website and see this wig with baby hair for a little bit of inspo. This is what it looks like when you just go ahead and cut off the lace and just kind of brush it out with the unbrush. I'm going to go ahead and tint that parting so you guys can see a little bit better. If you want to do minimal things, literally just take it out of the box, put it on, do the dynamic duo, put a little bit of lace tint in the parting and brush it out. This is literally what you would get, which I feel like looks pretty good. I am using that Ruby Kiss Cream foundation. And again, I was contemplating because I was like, it's always natural for me to want to do a little bit of baby hair, but not everybody likes baby hair, so I've been doing baby hair like all the time lately, so maybe I should just give it a break. I did want to melt it regardless, especially if you're going to do baby hair. It is a great idea to melt the lace and kind of like bond it down before you go ahead and add the baby hair. And I don't know, it just looks better. Like when you have a glueless wig, to do the baby hair, you don't have to bond it down, but it also looks better when you bond it down. So this is an extra hold hairspray, which does make the wig stick like glue, but it also would remove just with water, which makes it still glueless. I went ahead and bonded that down with the blow dryer, and at this point I just decided to do curls. I felt like in my mind I was just going to do the curls and see how we could last. I don't think you've ever seen me on this channel, or if you have, it's been very rare that I put on a wig and literally only tint the parting and literally not project the front out. So this was a switch up for me, and I really love the way it came out. You guys seen in the thumbnail and the intro, and you'll see again at the end of the video how beautiful it is. And again, this is how a lot of people wear their wigs, so I wanted to try something different. I am curling with a bigger barrel curling iron. I believe this is a 1/2 inch or a 1 inch. I get confused with the barrels, so I'll have the specific one linked in the description box. And I'm just pairing it with the Sebastian Shapers. I believe this is the plus. It is the white bottle. And the reason I'm doing this is because, again, I like my curls to last a few days if possible. I'm a low maintenance girl when it comes to my wigs. I will do any and everything I got to do when it comes to my install. But for the next few days after that, I don't want to curl. Like, I'm not the girl who's going to wake up every day and curl my hair every single day. Like, that first day curls gotta stick, so that if I gotta touch it up because I'm going somewhere, I will. But if I'm not specifically going somewhere, I definitely want that first day curl to last a good 2 or 3 days. So me using the shapers, you'll see I did use it heavily throughout this video. You definitely don't have to use product at all, or you can definitely, go a little bit lighter. It is even also an option to use the lighter version, which is the black container, or bottle or spray bottle. You can pick this up at Target. I believe Walmart sells it too. The beauty supply store sells it, but I of course have it linked in the description box. And I'm just taking sections. What you don't see is that I am combing each section out with a rat tail comb, and then I go ahead and curl. Once it's curled, I spray the spray. I leave it there for quite a bit of time before I release it. I kind of just cut out the time where I left it there so that you don't have to watch 20 minutes of curling. And this is what it looks like. I did the opposite side off camera. Once it was done, I did spray it one more time, and then I kind of sort of let it cool. Something that I'm learning is that when you're unsure of how a wig will handle curls, use your fingers, use your hands to kind of pull the curls apart, because sometimes when you brush them out, you may brush out a little bit too much. So this is what it looks like whenever we're done. I did go ahead and melt it down, but I did decide not to do baby hair. So I kind of released the melt so that it does sit and lay flat, but it also is not bonded down. So I've been able to wear this one all weekend long and literally put it on just like this, and she looks beautiful, but we don't have to maintain the hairline, which is a nice break. Here I'm showing you guys the packaging. They did give me these wig caps. I'm not sure what this is, but of course it came with it. This is a melt belt, which you can use to go ahead and hold your wig down and melt it. They gave me this little cute brush kit for travel and some press-on nails. These are absolutely beautiful, soft, feminine. I love them so much. This is what the hair looks like when it's completely curled, and then again, this is what it looks like when you comb it out. As I mentioned, comb it out with your fingers first and kind of let it set. Don't comb it out right away. You kind of want those curls to mold. Even having them curled overnight before you comb them out definitely is a great option for them to last. But that is pretty much it, my friends. I am in love with this highlight body wave wig from Worldnewhair. She's beautiful. She fits the head like a glove so that you can wear her glueless, and she is absolutely gorgeous. I'll have a direct link in the description box where you'll be able to customize yourself, whether you want 180% density or 250, or if you want a different length. You definitely have the options available to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.